In today's video, let me teach you the way that you use the YouTube Music voice commands. If you don't want to type the name of the song or the album that you're trying to listen to, you can use a feature inside YouTube Music for the voice command so that you can speak out the song that you're trying to listen to. Once you're inside of the platform or the app of YouTube Music, just tap on the search bar on the top, and right here on the top right you'll see this icon. If you tap on this icon, it will take you to this section where it says play, sing or hum a song. So that means you can either play, or if you know the lyrics of the song you can also sing it, or if you don't know the lyrics as well, you can hum the song and the YouTube Music will search the song for you. Once the song has been now searched, it's going to show you a couple of songs that might be related. If the song is not correct in this list, you can again tap on this icon on the bottom and again repeat the same process, which is sing a song or you can hum as well. So by using this process, you'll be able to use the YouTube Music voice commands. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.